Hello, welcome back to INCG Max. Today, we are looking at an Olympiad problem. The question is given: solve in R square root of 2 into x square minus x plus 1 is equal to 1 plus root x minus x. So, as you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it out. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 1000 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you, Amma. So here, how to solve this? So here you can do squaring on both sides, but the problem will be somewhat difficult to complete the problem. So you'll go for substitution. Let root x is equal to 1 by y, where y is greater than 0. Now the equation will change it as root of 2 into 1 by y to the power of 4 minus 1 by y square plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 by y minus 1 by y square. So here you'll get a square root of 2 into y to the power of 4 minus y square plus 1 is equal to y square plus y minus 1. Now squaring on both sides, here we'll get 2y power 4 minus 2y square plus 2 is equal to y to the power of 4 plus y square plus 1 plus 2y cube minus 2y minus 2y square. Squaring on both sides you are doing. Sending all the terms to one side, y to the power of 4 minus 2y cube, 2y square get cancelled, minus y square plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. So here you are doing some adjustment, y to the power of 4 minus 2y cube plus y square minus 2y square plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Now this can be written as y square minus y whole square. This value can be written as y square minus y whole square minus 2 into y square minus y plus 1 equal to 0. So this can be written as y square minus y minus 1 whole square equal to 0. That implies y square minus y minus 1 equal to 0. Now y is equal to 1 plus r minus root 5 by 2. So here y is greater than 0. We have taken that y value is greater than 0. So y will be 1 plus root 5 by 2. 1 plus root 5 by 2. X is equal to 1 by y square. So 1 by y square will get here 4 by 1 plus root 5 whole square. So this can be written as 1 by 4 root 5 minus 1 whole square. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching. I am CG Max Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends.